Hi, I'm Daniel, studying Innovation Design Engineering at Imperial College, London. I have a strong foundation in engineering, incorporating my interest in nature and its organic structures.
Hi, I'm Vivan from Design Products at the RCA, and my background lies in industrial design and light experimentation.
And this is KOMOREBI, our kinetic light sculpture exploring the interplay between technology and nature.
Komorebi is a Japanese word describing sunlight filtering softly through leaves. We wanted to reinterpret that natural phenomenon using modern tools, mechanics, computation, and the physics of polarization. In a world shaped increasingly by technology, we believe that natural beauty still needs to be felt, interacted with, and reimagined.
The lamp contains 3 stacked rotating discs. The top disc is a mechanical iris that blooms open like a flower. Below are 2 polarized layers, one solid and one engraved with a custom fractal pattern that the user can co-design with nature.
We studied the behavior of polarized light, especially the unique effects created when 3 filters interact. By slightly rotating each layer, the shadow shifts from bright to almost fully blacked out, or creates high contrast patterns which only certain areas reveal the light. It turns physics into something tactile, a material the user can sculpt.
We also researched mechanical iris diaphragms. We wanted the lamp to physically bloom. The iris petals extend beyond the boundary of the lamp when fully opened, giving the object a sense of life, a mechanical analog to a flower responding to light.
Our third area of research explored algorithmic growth. We developed a fractal generation tool based on the algorithmic beauty of plants. Users can create their own branching patterns, which we engrave into a polarized disc. This means that every lamp can hold a personalized computational interpretation of nature.
Together, these systems create a rich kinetic experience, turning the lamp into an instrument where rotating the discs lets users directly manipulate light.
Komorebi reflects the world we live in, industrial, digital, and mediated. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.